How to add additional information on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add additional information on Facebook app easy and quick. First, then go to your Facebook, click on it and go to your page. Click on those three lines and click on your page. Once you are in your page, click on the setting icon beside the search icon and choose the option number 2, which is page info. Scroll down and you're gonna find the last option, more. You're gonna find out add additional information. In here you can update your additional information by click on enter additional, and here you can tap it and click on save if you are done. Easy and quick. This is it guys. If you like this video or if it was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like.